Alright everyone, here is ceiling fan number 2 in our house. This one I have installed in our basement. This is sort of a 2-in-1 install that we will be doing. We're going to actually put another fan right in the middle. We're going to put a box there, but in due time, of course. But for now, I put a 24-inch Harborbreeze Gaskin ceiling fan in this vent. And you might be asking yourself why. So it gets kind of cold down here, and my idea was to put a fan on the vent to actually push the air downwards for the heat, and as well in the summer when it gets a little warm as well. Now granted, this is in the bottom level of the house, so it may not make a difference too much in the summer, but in the winter, so far it's done exactly what I've needed it to do. So with that in mind, you might be asking yourself, why is this even a good idea? So the way that this house has been designed is all the vents are designed to be mounted in the ceiling joist and reinforced. So this vent is not going anywhere. It's definitely a weird design, but it just works. I'll actually link down the original video of the Gaskin that I saw that I got inspired from, because it's just a genius idea. But yeah, I do need to sort of fix the wiring management, but in due time, I'm really not interested in making it look fabulous just yet. Kind of just want it to be useful more than anything, and it definitely is. I have to say, for a Harborbreeze, it is pretty good. This sort of hook ceiling fan market is very small. Typically, the ceiling fan market for the hook fans are the little small ones that you see all over the world that are plastic and have 5 blades, sometimes 3 blades, and typically AC or DC powered. Those. And the other ones that are made are like the portable fans that are just have a hook on the top of them. And yeah, I wanted more or less of a ceiling fan that was like a ceiling fan. This is the closest thing I could find. So yeah, and I did add on these pull chains because the original ones that they had were just very blah. I mean, it wasn't even the standard Harborbreeze chains. It was just 2 little black fobs on there, and I just wanted something that looked a little bit better than that. So I have, of course, the Harborbreeze chains. It's the late and the fan. So we will go ahead and turn it on. We'll start it off on the late first. And I will turn off the ceiling light so you can actually see how it looks from here without it. And it is incredibly bright. It's got an LED in it, so it's definitely really nice. Okay. And I will go ahead and turn this one off low first. It's also an indoor-outdoor fan, and if I haven't said already, this is a Litex Harborbreeze, so far I'm pretty satisfied with it. But it plugs into the wall down there with the 3-prong cord. It does seem to make some kind of bearing noise. I don't know if it's just because it's an indoor-outdoor fan and everything is all sealed. Something's rubbing, but yeah, but not a huge deal for me, as long as it works more or less. It's super strong. Here's medium. One thing I do not like about this fan is there's no reverse switch. I believe the original models that they made of this fan had a reverse switch. This one does not. kind of defeated the purpose of what I wanted to use this fan for, just to draft free circulation, but not the end of the world. Just in case if you wanted to get one of these and use it in reverse, you're out of luck so far, so. But it is very, very powerful. Now I'll put it on high. And it's pretty strong. It really rips on the high setting. That's all there really is to it. I mean, really got this fan more or less just to keep the air circulating more than anything, but it's been really good so far. I really can't complain. Here's spin down time, which is incredibly quick. It's quicker than the slinger upstairs. And there it is. I will say I do like this fan quite a bit, so what I'm probably going to do is install one in our bathroom next, and when we do, I will actually show a video of that one as well. But so far for what it is, it serves its purpose quite well. I really have no complaints other than the fact that it does not have a reverse switch. I think the only other thing I would probably do, and this is just me, but this is just a personal thing, is have a cap that covers the light. So if you do not want to use the light, it is optional, but at the same time, it is nice to have a light, so not going to knock it off too much because really, you know, this comes with a light and it's better to have a light than not have one at all. So that's all there really is for this little Harborbreeze Gaskin. For what it is, it's good. It serves its purpose quite well, and I will definitely update this video if anything changes. But so far, I'm very happy with it. Harborbreeze has come a long way, and this is definitely one of the things that's just changed, and it works great. So there you have it. That is the Harborbreeze Gaskin ceiling fan. Thank you so much for watching.